Hello, my name is Teddy, and today we're going to look at how to exchange data between the client and the server in a standard way, irrespective of the programming language, in a format that we call the JSON format. So before we get started, kindly subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share, and also click on the notification icon so that you can get updates on any upcoming tutorials. So back to our topic of JSON data format. What we are going to do, we are going to start by looking at how do we send data in a JSON format in Python to the client side, because Python is a server side. So what we are going to start with, we are going to convert Python data to JSON format. So our data should be in a key value format, what we call a dictionary or a dict in Python. So our data should be a dict, a dictionary. So those are key value pairs. So for example, we may say our data is equals to, say, name is test, and we say email, test@test.com should be enclosed in curly brackets. So what we do, we import a module called JSON, because that's what we're going to use. So how do we now convert our data now to JSON? So what we do, we say we're going to say y equals to JSON.dumps. It dumps the object data, so that if we print y, what do we get? We get our JSON format. So assuming that you have a JSON string you want to convert into a Python object. So what we are going to say here is convert JSON string to Python object. So let's comment this and say JData is equals to, say, name is test, then you can say telephone number is 089 something. So this is our JSON string. So to convert it into a Python object, what do? We say p object is equals to JSON.loads j underscore data. So if we print this p underscore object, what are we going to get? Let's comment this. We now get our Python object. So these are two ways of how to convert our data to JSON and vice versa. So if you have any question, kindly post in the comments below. So just to do a recap, JSON data is normally sent in text format, so that any programming language can consume the data. So that's why we use what we call a JSON in Python. This is especially important when writing APIs, so the data is sent in a JSON format, so that it can be consumed by either JavaScript or any other programming language, even if it's PHP or ASP. So thank you for listening. If you like this tutorial, kindly like and comment below. Also subscribe to my channel and click on the notification icon to be updated of any upcoming tutorials. Thank you for listening. Thank you.